Hi, this is Samir for thinkdigit.com, and today we're going to take a look at a device called the WickedLeak Wammy Sensation. It's said to be the best, you first need to copy the best, and this device has taken this saying a little too seriously. Straight out of the box, it looks like a carbon copy of the Samsung Galaxy S3. You won't notice the difference unless you flip the device over and see the WickedLeak logo at the back. Its build is very reminiscent of the S3. It has a 4.7-inch IPS display on the front and a 12 megapixel camera at the back. The performance of the camera straight out is very underwhelming, and you will not be happy with the outputs that you get, especially since it boasts of being 12 megapixel. Under the hood, the device has a 2000 mAh battery which will last you for about 1 day, maybe a little more depending upon your usage. The phone also boasts of dual SIM capabilities. In terms of its design, it's taken so much from the S3, including the opening wallpaper, that its design has to be good even though the build may feel a little subpar. In terms of its specifications, the WickedLeak Wammy Sensation has a 4.7-inch IPS display with a resolution of 1280 by 720. For a 16,000 rupee phone, this is really good. It has a 1.2 GHz dual-core CPU, 1 GB of RAM, and runs on Android 4.0.4 ice cream sandwich straight out of the box. It has 4 GB of built-in storage and can be expanded up to 32 GB via the microSD card slot. In its performance, the display performs quite well. The viewing angles are good and it's fun to watch multimedia on it, videos, and even reading text is a pleasant experience. As a phone, it works quite well too. The call quality is nice, with the only downside being the loudspeaker isn't the best, especially when it comes to making calls. In terms of battery life, the device will last you for a little over a day for above average use. Add to that the fact that there is a second 2000 mAh battery that comes in the box, and you have two batteries, which is a very good thing considering battery life is one of the major problems we face in smartphones today. If you have a budget of 16,000 rupees and want to hold a device that mimics something that's premium, you may want to take a look at this device. But if you're someone who is a little more conscious about the brand, you may want to take a look at the offerings from Carbon, which is the A21 or the Micromax Canvas A110, which are slightly cheaper but also boast of some good performance. As far as the WickedLeak Wammy Sensation is concerned, Digit gives it a 3.5 out of 5.